What's the matter, kitty? There's another cat out there. Hiss at him. Go get him. Ghost. Hiss at him. We don't want any other cats around here, right? Hey, kitty? Look at all your hair standing up on your back. What are you doing? You don't have to worry about that. You're inside in a nice warm house. He's out there in the cold. It's where you used to live. Yeah. Some of your old friends. Huh?